Abylai Khan Avenue is located in the southeastern part of the capital in Almaty district. The avenue runs from Kenisari Street to Astana-Karaganda Highway, Ilyas Jansugurov, Gabit Musrepov, Gabiden Mustafin streets. Avenue length is 4,928 meters. The avenue is named after the 18th Khan of Kazakh Khanship, reigned from 1771 to 1781. Abylai Khan is one of the greatest Khans in Kazakh history. Born as Abul Mansur, he became Abylai because of his battle cry Abylai after his grandfather. Abylai Khan is remembered by Kazakh people as an active state figure, brave commander, and subtle diplomat. Abylai Khan Avenue is home for Miras International School, National Scientific Center of Medicine, Research Institute of Traumatology and Orthopedics, Guljan and Stretcher shopping malls.